Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Very Merry Christmas to all of you and a Happy New Year. I'm wishing you all the best and all the blessing from my heart and from my family to yours. Thank you so much for spending this year with me. Thank you so much for being there with me, letting me grow, and I'm so privileged to be able to serve you. For those who signed up for 5 days workshop, please don't you worry, everything is fine, everything is going as planned. I just had a little bit of delay because as many of you know, I ended up in the hospital with the fishbone stuck in my throat and now I'm having coronavirus. But everything is okay, everything goes as planned, and I'm gonna see you at 27 in our workshop. The new video is gonna come up today, so please keep your tabs open at 6 p.m. When I'm gonna release a special video, how to recover after Christmas, because many of you will be eating a lot of sweets, many of you will be drinking, so I just came up with special tailor-made plan for all of you how to recover after Christmas, so all your efforts and all your diet is not gonna go to the drain. I love you so much and I see you very shortly. Bye.